Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install and play Roblox on Android. You can also use the same method in your Samsung or Android tablet. So let's begin. So first we'll head to the Google Play Store and then we will click the search option. From here we will search for Roblox. After searching for Roblox, you will find the Roblox application. You can then click on Roblox and then click on install. So Roblox has been installed. Now you can click on play and Roblox will start automatically. So after the application is started, you will now need to sign on in your account. So I will now sign into my account. I'll use my passkey. Now here are all the game modes that are available in Roblox. You can just select a game mode and start playing. So I will select a game mode and then I will click on the play icon over here and then I will be inside the game. So as you can see, now I am inside a game mode. Here I am playing Roblox in my Android device. So guys, this is how you can play Roblox on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.